If your iPhone's control center is freezing or not responding when you swipe it down, here are a few quick ways to fix it. First, restart your iPhone and give your iPhone a fresh start. Then check if the control center works smoothly. Next, force close background app. Too many apps running in the background can cause lags. Swipe up from the bottom and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Then, swipe up to close unused apps. Next, disable and re-enable Control Center access. And for that, go to your Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. Again, scroll down and toggle Control Center off and then back on again. This refreshes the feature and can fix any temporary glitches. Also, make sure your system is up to date. Apple often fix bugs like this in newer versions. If nothing works, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset, then select Reset All Settings from the options. This will not erase your data, but it will reset things like Wi Fi, control center preferences, and system settings. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.